Cleaning and preparing berries for storage is a simple process. You'll need a cutting board or a cookie sheet, a towel, plastic freezer containers, freezer bags, and a marker. Berries should be cleaned as soon as possible. It is not necessary to wash them unless they were growing near a road or populated area where there is a danger of dust or other impurities. Clean the berries by wrapping a towel around a board or cookie sheet, elevating one end, and rolling the berries down the surface. Leaves and other debris will stick to the towel. Prop or hold the board at a fairly low angle so you don't bruise the berries. Gentle rolling is the key to removing the debris but not harming the berries. We'll be back when we finish cleaning these berries.